What's up, you guys? Anthony here from Finding Our Adventure. Today we're out here at El Mirage. We're doing a little off-roading today. We got the family here. So we're gonna be out here today and we're finding our adventure. On our way, El Mirage, a couple miles out here on the 138. Check out this view. So Ma, you're taking Dan for a drive, huh?
Yeah. He's got to be worried right now, a little bit.
I don't know.
Let's just see.
We got 1,000 cc's of power under that right foot.
Uh-oh. You look scared.
Say your prayers, Dan.
He's a gay.
All right, here's camp for the day. Got my 450R here. Thanks to Matt over at Lead Me Outdoors, sold that to me last year. Fixed it up and it's running like a top now. So thanks, brother, appreciate it. Go check out his channel. Here's my brother's quad. It's a TRX400EX. It's a pretty modified, fast as heck. So he's got an 05, I got an 04. And here's camp for the day. We got the Easy Up. Bought a little Walmart sidewall for it, so it's providing some shade. Vern's snacking down. Having fun, kid? Yeah?
You?
Oh, heck yeah. The bike's fast. I told you I wasn't gonna go fast, and then I went fast.
Yeah, I figured.
Did it look like I was going fast?
Yeah, it did.
Fiji, baby. Artesian water. I heard it tastes like better water. Better water than your water. Starbucks cup water.
Tastes like elitist.
My elitist water. Brought to you by Fiji Water. do a quick pull real quick. Just the second we'll turn around, the second you take off, I'll take off.
Okay. Go ahead.
Where's my co-pilot? Pete's got it. Pete's got it. Pete's got it. Don't worry.
Nothing. You're good.
All right, me and Pete, after what, 10 years of going to the desert, finally rode together on our own toys. It was fun, huh?
Yes.
That was a good time. We went and met one of our neighbors at another campground,
And Augie's taking a big.
and Augie's dropping deuce. Let's get that on video.
Missiles launched.
What's up, Paul? Yeah, see ya. You want any rides yet?
All right, you guys, we had a fun day today, cruising out here at El Mirage. Did you have a good time?
Yeah. Did you have a good time?
That was awesome. So keep watching our videos. Please like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed the content. And we will see you on the next adventure.